Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy an item on Vinted step by step. Once you've found the item you want, press the buy button. Vinted gives you two main shipping options. You can choose to ship to a pickup point, which is usually cheaper, or have it shipped directly to your home, which is more convenient but slightly more expensive. Once you've decided, fill out your shipping address carefully so the item is sent to the right location. After that, add your phone number, as the seller or delivery service may need to contact you. Next, choose your payment method. You can pay using your bank card, or for a faster checkout, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay if your device supports it. Before confirming, double-check all your details including the shipping option, address, and payment method to avoid mistakes. Once everything looks good, press pay and your order is complete. You'll usually get a confirmation email and the seller will prepare your item for shipment. You can also track your order directly in the Vinted app to see updates and estimated delivery times. And there you have it. That's how you buy something on Vinted safely and efficiently. Always make sure to read the item description carefully and check the seller's rating to avoid any surprises. I hope this video helped you and happy shopping. Speak to you soon.